Hello, my name is Bobby Lambert. I'm the Director of Bands at Wando High School in Mount Pleasant, South Carolina. I'm here to talk to you today about the condensation station and show you how to put it together. It's actually very easy. I'm going to start right with step one, just from the beginning. I'm going to take the corners here and pull them up, set the whole box up, and push down. Actually just folds into place and sets itself up. One of the ways that we've been doing things is to kind of over bend some of the creases so that they set up a little bit nicer. There you go. So that's step one. Step two is going to be press down for the center to make sure the base is completely closed. So you can see that from here. The next thing that we're going to do is use this side, fold down tabs A, 90 degrees, and then 180 all the way so that they stay about where we want them to stay. Flap B, fold those in 90, then 180 degrees, make that crease all the way up, and then let it stay. Okay? Next step with this is we take all of C. If you'll notice, we've got C and D. We're going to take all of this flap and bend it down. And again, 90 degrees, pushing it all the way, bringing it back up so that it folds over the A flaps. Now, so that you can see this, I'm going to take this next D panel and fold it literally in half so that it covers my A flaps. Now you can notice when I get to the end, or on the other side, there are two tabs that are right here. Those slots are filled with that tab. It looks just like that when you're finished with that side. So moving on, you do the exact same thing to this side, to side two as you did to side one. Take the A flaps down all the way, make the crease and bend back up. Take the B side flaps, bend them in all the way, and normalize back up. Take this C and D panel all the way at the D fold and fold over the A tabs. Then fold halfway in between, that's C to D. There are two slots that are here. We're going to take the two little tabs and secure them into that space. And so when we get finished, we've got two sides and the bottom of the box that are in place. Once you have the sides set, the next part is using the condensation collection bag. You can actually store these in the bottom of the box. Take them in and place them down. Close the box. You can set it on the floor for when the students come in. Now, to make this even a little more sturdy, there are two things that we do. There's this string that you'll find inside. And we actually will have a place that is pressed into the box already, but the metal piece simply pushes right into it pretty easily. It goes to the other side, or the outside of the box here on side one, and fits into this slot here. It's made just for this. The metal tabs just simply need to be moved so that they catch. And this actually holds this back down and flat even better now. Still allows it to close. Everything's good with it being closed. One of the things I would tell you is that for this side, you press down a little bit to make the crease so that it will sit closed for you. Now the next part of this involves our condensation collection bag. Just like a regular trash bag. I'm going to set this on top, push down from the center, fold it over, and fold it over. And this is pretty tight, which is exactly what we want. We don't want it coming off at an inopportune time while somebody's trying to use the bag. So it slides over and over. And then I simply open it up there. The bag goes all the way down to the center. Last step. Again, just making it a little more sturdy, we're going to take this decal that comes with it, take the backing off, simply place it where side 1 is written. And then press out all the air. That actually will hold the string in place a little more and just make the whole thing a little more sturdy. So when you're finished, you'll have something that looks like that for your students to use. When you're finished with using the bag, simply take it from the sides, close it up like you would any garbage bag, and done. The next student comes, simply reaches in, pulls out one bag, opens it up, pushes the center down through the opening, does each of the corners, and secures the bag. Hope this has been helpful for you, and we can't wait for you to get a chance to use the condensation station.